until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I'm back.
Welcome back. We're doing a pre-trip this wonderful evening. We get fuel from here. And we're doing a pre-trip on the truck. Everything still look good. Still cool. Tires are good. That's good. Oh, still quite a few parking spots available. Seal still intact. There, all lights are working. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get up there, get some fuel, and head on up the road, finish this 9-hour trip, and then be home. I'll catch you on a little bit. At GE, nice little line out here. Go ahead and slide it tandems. Slide tandems and take my lock off the back of this door. Wrong one. So there we go. All right, it's currently 7:58, and we got up here just in time. There's no 360 box going in there. There's one empty there. Hopefully there's another. Hopefully I got to do this trailer hunt like I did last time, but see you guys when I get out. Welcome back. We are here, part for the rest of the weekend. This week was an eventful week, I must say. Let's do a post trip, make sure everything's good. This week was an eventful week due to the fact that my load was screwed up. Even with that being said, I was still able to bring home to me, after jbhunt's cutting everything, 3,800. So I did pretty good still, but next week I plan on doing a lot better, hopefully. I'll do a video for next week on what we have. Oh man, it's kind of starting to rain. Make sure doors are shut and everything on the post trip. But I'll go down on what, or do a rundown on what we got for next week. Hopefully it's eventful. And then I have to take the truck to the shop to get serviced. So, but like I said, just wanted to let you guys know this week was 3,800 even after our little mishap. And man, it rain's coming down. Even after a little mishap. So, I appreciate y'all riding with me this week, and catch you next week.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.